Spirit of Fire, this is Red Team. We're 100 meters from Anders' transponder signal. Needing strong resistance. Seeing some pretty crazy stuff out here. Over.
Hold your position, Red Team. Reinforcements will come to you. Sergeant Forge, rendezvous with Red Team and find Anders. But be careful. We don't know what these things are capable of.
I've received Red Team's coordinates. I've marked it on your map.
Standing by. We're going in! Yes, right away. Yes, sir. Moving out, moving out.
Reactor complete.
Moving out, moving out. Yes, on the way.
Enemy engagement.
Yes, sir.
Enemy engagement.
About time you guys showed up.
Units.
I'll get it.
I've lost Anders' transponder.
Engagement.
Could the creature be jamming the signal?
Got it.
Yes, sir.
Supply pad complete. Local
I'll
units.
get it. Got it. Got it. Got it.
Yes, on the way. Right away. On the way. Standing by. We're going
Supply pad upgraded.
in. Moving.
Killed him!
Supply pad complete.
Not sure what just happened, but the large one just shook like it was hurt.
Got it. I'll get it.
Yes. When the colony was destroyed, I registered the large creature weakening.
We noticed a few colony creatures on the way in. We can weaken the big one by taking them out first. Uploading coordinates.
Rolling out the initial coordinates set. Bombs out.
Local units.
I'll get it.
Local units.
I'll get it. I'll get it.
A Spartan is down.
Pelican, pickup coordinates set. Right here.
Regeneration healing targets. Ready. Too easy.
A Spartan is down. Base under attack. Enemy engagement. Spartan is back up.
I'll get it.
Local units.
I'll get it. I'll get it.
Spartan is back up. Local units.
I'll get it. I'll get it. In my sight. Initial bombs away.
Local units.
Too easy. Too easy.
A Spartan is down.
All right, all the creatures are dying.
Captain, as soon as that creature died, I picked up a new signal just east of here.